My name is Akai Fadifa President. On this episode, we're looking at substance abuse among youths in Yenagoa Bayelsa State. Substance abuse, also known as drug abuse, refers to the harmful or hazardous use of psychoactive substance. National Drug Law Enforcement Agency reports that 40% of Nigerian youths are involved in substance abuse. Report from World Health Organization states that in 2020, 35 million people suffer from drug use disorder. This is also proven by the World Health Organization that 0.5 million global deaths are attributed to drug abuse annually. Drugs containing nicotine often cause cancer of the throat and lungs, while abuse of alcohol causes liver cirrhosis. These diseases are mostly the long-term effect of abuse of drugs. The use of drugs other than for medical reasons can affect individuals socially, cognitively, or physically. These social effects may be reflected in an individual's enhanced tendency to engage in conflict with friends, teachers, and school authorities. Cognitive effect relates to the individual lack of concentration on academic work and memory loss. Drug abuse amongst the global youth population has become a serious problem affecting everyone. Addiction leads many people, young people, prominent amongst them, into downward spiral of hopelessness that is in some cases ends fatal. The range from glue sniffing street children and teenage ecstasy users to hardcore heroin and cocaine addiction. Nicadia 2005. Drug abuse is responsible for lost wages, destruction of property in schools, soaring health costs, and broken families. It is a problem which affects us all as parents, children, teachers, government officials, taxpayers, and workers. The use of drug is harmful to the body and can result in series of health problems depending on the drug used. From our field survey, marijuana, tobacco, and alcoholic, popularly known as kai kai, are the most commonly used drugs in Yenagoa. We are calling on youth to support our effort to say no to substance abuse and parents to support their children to stay away from drugs and encourage youths who are involved in substance abuse to seek help from the government. We are also calling on the government to support these youths to establish a rehabilitation center that will empower them with skills they can use to seek for employment. We also call on our partners in the health sector to be available for these youth. We solicit the cooperation of our community members not to discriminate against them. I know we can win this fight if we all come together to support each other. Thank you. Olade, I don't finish. Oh.